Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we will show you how to replace the pressure switch on a Zanussi washing machine. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If your washing machine is overfilling or showing error code E31, then make sure you have checked the pressure hose and pressure chamber before changing the pressure switch. Start by removing the top by taking out the screws at the back. With the screws removed, tap the top to release it and put it to one side. The pressure switch is located at the top of the machine on the side here. Pull off the hose attached, and it's good practice to check the hose for any signs of damage like a hole. Remove the electrical connection, then you need to rotate the pressure switch to release the clips using a flat blade screwdriver. Place the new pressure switch into position and twist into place. Refit the electrical connection and put the hose back onto the pressure switch. Adjust the top to slide back on and refit the screws. And there we have it, one pressure switch fitted on a Zanussi washing machine. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.